Hello, English 11. Today is Monday, April 5th. Today you will each have an asynchronous learning day, which simply means that we have no live classes. You will simply work independently in both your first and third period classes. Now, in this brief video, I'm going to outline my expectations for what you are to complete for English 11 and where to find all of the information that you need to do so. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to navigate either from your email or from the update section of Schoology to our materials, our course materials. Here you're going to go down to our Unit 2 folder, America on Stage, open that up. And towards the bottom here, you are going to see our assignment for today, labeled 4-5 Asynchronous Work Log. Go ahead and open up that assignment and download your own copy of the following document. This is pretty simple, straightforward, but of course we want to make sure that we don't skip over this important note in red, which states that this document must be completed and submitted to Schoology by 2:30 p.m. today. Now, the reason for that is because I am required to submit your attendance by 2:30 today. Your attendance will be linked to the work that you complete. So essentially, you are earning your attendance through your participation. So as long as you complete this document and you submit this by 2:30, you will be marked present for our asynchronous workday. Please make sure that you're watching the clock so that you do indeed meet that deadline. First section of this document is very simple and straightforward, just making sure that you and I are on the same page. Go ahead and begin by filling in your first and last name, and then I'm going to ask that you go to your Schoology gradebook and that you check your most current grade so that you know, in case you haven't checked that in a while, sort of where you stand. You also want to make a list of any missing assignments that you have for this class, as well as any mastery projects that are currently at a WIP. At this point, this would only be mastery number 1 or mastery number 2. Do keep in mind, however, that mastery number 3 is right around the corner. We will be introducing that on Wednesday, which is why there's a heavy emphasis that on preparing for that assessment in today's task menu. The next section of our document here is basically a list of tasks that you can select from to help you to get on top of your work here in English 11. Now, you may select any number or any combination of these tasks, but I am going to ask that you work for 2 hours today on the tasks on this list. That is because the duration of our class on any normal day is 2 hours. So I ask that you please put in a minimum of 2 hours towards any of the tasks here. Once you have done that, you simply need to provide me with a brief summary of what you worked on. So which tasks you chose, how did it go for you, how are you feeling, what did you complete, what is maybe left unfinished. And then you have a section here for any questions or concerns that you have. Please, again, make sure that this document is completed and submitted by 2:30 today in order to earn that attendance. And do please choose wisely in terms of how you are utilizing and prioritizing your time. We've got a lot of important stuff coming up here. And we know that the end of the semester is only about 7 weeks away, believe it or not. So really take advantage of this time today. Work at your leisure, but do indeed try to make the most out of it. Have a great day, and I will see you in class on Wednesday.